Today we'll learn English through Sarah's daily routine. Meet Sarah. She's a young professional living in the bustling city of New York. Her daily routine is a well-balanced blend of work, leisure, and self-care. Every morning, Sarah's alarm clock buzzes at 6:30 a.m. She's not exactly a morning person, so it takes her a few minutes to shake off the grogginess. The first thing she does is reach for her phone to check the weather and any urgent emails. A quick shower follows to help wake her up. By 8 a.m., Sarah is out the door, grabbing a cup of coffee from her favorite cafe on the way to work. She works as a marketing manager for a tech startup, and her office is in the heart of the city. Her mornings are usually filled with meetings and brainstorming sessions with her creative team. Lunchtime is a sacred part of Sarah's day. She often meets up with friends or colleagues at nearby restaurants. They discuss work, share funny stories, or simply unwind. It's a brief escape from the fast-paced office life. In the afternoon, Sarah dives into her tasks, working on marketing campaigns and analyzing data. She's passionate about her job, and her dedication is evident in the results she achieves. But it can be stressful, so she makes it a point to take short breaks to stretch and grab a healthy snack. As the workday comes to a close around 6 p.m., Sarah heads to a nearby gym for her daily workout. She's into both cardio and strength training, which helps her stay fit and de-stress after a long day at work. She's made some gym buddies and often joins them for a post-workout smoothie. Once she's back home around 7:30 p.m., it's time for dinner. Sarah enjoys cooking and tries out new recipes from time to time. She finds it therapeutic and loves experimenting with different cuisines. Sometimes she invites friends over for dinner parties. Evenings are her downtime. She might watch a movie, read a book, or catch up on her favorite TV series. She cherishes these quiet moments to recharge. She also spends some time planning for the next day, setting goals and making to-do lists. By 10:30 p.m., Sarah is winding down. She follows a bedtime routine that includes skincare, some light reading, and a cup of herbal tea. She's determined to get her 7 hours of sleep to ensure she's at her best the next day. Sarah's daily routine may seem busy, but it's a carefully crafted balance of work, socializing, fitness, and relaxation. She believes that taking care of herself and pursuing her passions are key to a fulfilling life in the city that never sleeps. Day in the life of Mia. Mia is a 10-year-old girl with a heart full of curiosity and a spirit brimming with energy. Her day begins with the soft, golden rays of the morning sun streaming through her bedroom window. As her eyes flutter open, she greets the day with a sleepy smile. With a stretch and a yawn, Mia climbs out of her cozy bed, adorned with her favorite stuffed animals. She shuffles to the kitchen in her pajamas, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee greets her. Her parents are already up, sipping their morning brew, and her father flips pancakes on the stove. After a hearty breakfast of fluffy pancakes drizzled with maple syrup, Mia rushes to get dressed for school. Her school uniform, neatly hung in her closet, awaits her choice. Today, she selects a plaid skirt and a white blouse, ready for another day of learning and adventures. At the bus stop, Mia joins her friends, their laughter echoing in the crisp morning air. The bright yellow school bus arrives with a cheerful honk, and they clamber aboard. Mia's backpack, stuffed with books, and her lunchbox, finds a spot on her lap as they embark on their daily journey to school. In the classroom, Mia immerses herself in the world of numbers, words, and science experiments. Her teacher's voice guides her through lessons, and her classmates become companions in the shared pursuit of knowledge. Recess is a burst of joyful chaos as they run, play, and swap stories. The school day ends with a bell, signaling freedom. Mia hops off the bus, eager to return home. She spends her afternoons in a whirlwind of homework, art projects, and practicing the piano. Each task is tackled with youthful enthusiasm and the occasional giggle. Evenings are a time for family. Dinner is a family affair, with everyone gathered around the table, sharing stories of their day. Mia's mother's homemade spaghetti is a favorite, and dessert is a sweet treat they all enjoy. As the day winds down, Mia climbs back into her cozy bed, her stuffed animals keeping her company. With a bedtime story and a good night kiss from her parents, she drifts into dreams filled with imagination, ready to greet another day with the same curiosity and energy that define her daily routine.